Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting data. Make a backup or export the target table so you can restore if needed. Next, identify the table, primary key, and the exact where filter you will use. Run a select with the same where to preview which rows will change. This prevents accidental updates. Once done, open a transaction or work on a staging copy so you can roll back easily. Make sure to note user permissions and locks that might affect execution. You write the update statement and test incrementally. Set a single column first, then add expressions and where clauses. When pulling values from other tables, prefer an update with join or a correlated subquery so data stays consistent. Use case to apply conditional logic in one pass instead of multiple queries. Monitor query plan and use indexes to prevent full table scans. Once comfortable, run inside your transaction. If performance matters, batch updates to reduce lock contention and I/O spikes. You validate changes by running select and count checks to ensure values and row counts match expectations, then commit the transaction. Make sure foreign keys and constraints still hold and rebuild or update statistics if the update changed distribution. If you discover problems, roll back immediately if still in a transaction, or restore from your backup, or use point-in-time recovery. One key troubleshooting tip: search recent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.